S&P 500 daily forecast, August 28, fxempire.com. The S&P 500 had a slightly positive session for Monday, but as you can see, gave back most of the gains in order for the shooting star. Now, granted, it's not a big shooting star. It was extremely low liquidity and action, quite frankly, on Monday in general. But it shows just a general malaise as we get up to these areas. The real candle to pay attention to really is going to be the Tuesday shooting star from last week. We hit fresh highs, didn't weren't able to stay above them, and then have shown signs of weakness since then. Quite frankly, however, looking at the bigger picture, we see this essentially as some type of channel thing going on, and as such, we really don't want to sell the S&P. We just think that perhaps some type of pullback is about to happen. And if that's the case, then we want to go ahead and let it do its thing. If we manage to break below the bottom of the uptrending channel, then obviously that's very bearish. But we see support at 1380, obviously 1400 as well. Once we get below the bottom of the channel, though, all bets are off. The real question is whether or not the market is simply waiting for Ben Bernanke's testimony out of Jackson Hole on Friday, and we do think that's the case. If he gives signs of quantitative easing, this market will more than likely rise. But if he gives signs that it's not in the cards right now, then things could turn ugly very quickly. So, having said that, probably going to be a choppy week, but we have several levels here to watch. Of course, if you manage to break the highs from last Tuesday, that's very bullish, and we would be very long of higher beta stocks, and certainly S&P 500 futures.